All right, everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your lawn look professional in 8 simple steps. Safety for each item that you have here. For a lawnmower, on my lawnmower here, you've got your clutch that's going to hold, keep the gas going, have your blade going, and then you've got one for the self-propelled. So be aware of that on your lawnmower. On the blowers, you don't have a lot of worry there. You just got a trigger that will have the air for blowing. Make sure that if it's a gas, for all vehicles, that you're not pouring the gas onto the lawn. That will burn your lawn. And then for edgers, you always want to be careful of where the blade is. On this side, you've got one blade here. You want to be careful not doing that anywhere near your face. And then safety wise, whenever you're mowing, you're going to want hearing protection to protect your ears. You're going to want gloves to protect your hands, as well as eyeglasses. You're going to want to figure out what you want to have done first. For this example, it is fall, so we have a lot of leaves falling down, but it'll be the last mow of the year. We want to edge the lawn first, and then mow. And you want to edge the lawn first because you want to pick up all the clippings that you do when you edge. Finished our edging job, so now we're going to be mowing. And another big thing is having really good stripes, and that you can watch me do it and kind of follow my example. I look towards ahead of something, so I'll look at that pole up there. I'll follow that pole while I'm doing the stripe to try and make it as straight as possible. All right, and now that we've finished the mowing job, we'll get the blower and we'll get all the sidewalks, the driveway, and all the leaves out of the way to make it look really good. And your 8th and final step is going to be assessing the job that you did. You're going to check for any edging that you missed, maybe look for grass that you missed, and then when you're blowing away stuff, you can blow it on the street or suck it up, or broom it, sweep it up and put it in the garbage, and then check to see if there's anything you want to fix. But with all that stuff brought in together, you can see that you got a really good looking lawn and a great yard and ready for the winter.